Hi, my name is Arnoud and in this series we go look inside and also the outside of alternative forms of living. From a tiny house to living on Curacao, a water tower or in a ship. So let's go and listen to the story of Tanya, who built her own container home on Curacao. Tanya and her husband, originally from the Netherlands, found themselves carving a slower paced life. Their friends' busy schedules left them longing for a more meaningful connection. It was during a vacation to Curacao in September 2005 that they found what they were looking for. We fell in love with the freedom and beauty of this island. The diving, the weather, it was just right. Their home, crafted from 7 shipping containers, boasts a spacious living area flooded with natural light and a perfect designed kitchen. Tanya wanted to build a container home because they saw the idea on YouTube and thought it would be a fun challenge. They are nearly off the grid. They mostly use solar energy, while they're still connected to the water supply. On this way they try to minimize their environmental footprint. Building a container home isn't cheap. A container costs around 4,000 euros and the land they buy, the 1,000 square meters, is around $100,000. So the total cost was around $220,000. The upper floor is made in an L shape. The first container is made into 2 bedrooms. The second container is made in a bathroom and the last bedroom for the parents. Tanya and her family have transformed a simple plot of land into their own sustainable oasis. This is more than a home. It's a place where dreams take shape and memories are made. So my question to you, do you see yourself living in a container home? Yes? That's good for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe and give it a like. See you in the next episode of The House of the Nomad.